Hey, it's Matt, the old Florida boy. Good to be back with you. Well, it's about 350 degrees outside in Central Florida now, and it's been raining for about the last 5 or 6 weeks, and I'm sure my swamp is full up to the top. So it's going to be a great time to go fishing. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how I fuel up before I go hiking. And I'm going to show you how I make my fried egg omelet, because man does not live by canteen cup alone. I wish I could, but I don't. So stay with me. This is going to be good.
Something in the water that's calling my name.
All right, here we go. We're inside at my stove, and we got our frying pan on there getting good and hot. And we got a tub of leftover bacon grease, and this is the magic ingredient to so many dishes. So what we're going to do is we're going to put us a big hunk of bacon grease in there. Yeah, we're going to get that melting. That's going to melt up very, very quickly. Okay. And while this is melting, I'll just say that my 2-egg fried egg omelet is nothing but fried eggs and cheese. Some people put egg beaters and other stuff into theirs to make it have more body, or make actually a scrambled egg omelet and then put a fried egg inside it, but I've never seen anybody make it like this. All right, so there we go. We got our bacon grease melted up. Now, 2 eggies. So we're just gonna crack them in there. Ooh, that is hot. Yeah, this is redneck cooking at its finest. Oh yeah. Now this is about a 8-inch or 10-inch round pan. Okay. Now all we're gonna do is we're just gonna fry up these eggs, and these are gonna fry up fairly quickly because this pan's pretty hot. Okay, they're starting to fry up. After we fry them up, we can't forget the cheese. And we may have a secret ingredient to go on this. I don't know. But these babies are starting to fry up really nicely. I'll come right back when they're ready to flip. Ooh, all right, here we go. Secret to this is you want to cook it until the white part on the top is almost all cooked. That way it'll hold together when you flip it. And with the bacon grease and a nice pan, this baby just slides around. Now, since I ain't no Emeril Lagasse or Chef Gordon Ramsay, I'm gonna flip them with a spatula. So here we go. Just do it once. Perfect. Oh my God, that's perfect. Now, this doesn't have to go very long on that side to be done. So we're just gonna let it go for a minute or so here. But while we're doing that, we can put our cheese on top. Just a pinch of cheese. All right, just a little bit of cheese. And we are almost ready to fold this baby over. All right. Oh, look at that. And this is virtually almost done. So I'm going to put this baby on the plate here in a second. Man, let's eat. All right, here we go. That baby couldn't have been easier to cook. All I did was put some nice bacon grease down there, put a couple of eggs on there, fry them up, slide them right off in the pan, and here's what we got after the cheese is in the middle and it's all melted. Look at that. Wow, that's awesome. But it would not be complete without a little Cristal hot sauce. So we're gonna put just a drop of this on there. just a drop. And we've got to have a little bit of pepper. All right, now let's try it. And hopefully we got a little bit of runny yolk in here. Oh yes, a little bit. There you go. See that? Oh, that's good. All right. Ooh, this smells amazing. All right, let's try it. Oh, man, look at that. The cheese is, look at that cheese string. Oh man, that's awesome. That's how you make a fried egg omelet in the South. Ain't put no egg beaters in there, ain't put no egg whites in there, just 2 fried eggs on bacon grease, put the cheese on, fold it over, some hot sauce and a little pepper, and you are done for the morning. Man, that's good. Y'all try it out for yourself. The only way it could have been better is if I would have done it in a canteen cup, but I didn't see any way to do it in a canteen cup. So, once again, on the left side of the screen, you're going to see some suggested videos. Upper right hand corner, you're going to see my subscription box. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I answer all comments. And once again, coming to you from my dining room, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I'll see you next time from the trail.